Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome. Today I want to answer one specific question people have been asking me from time to time. How can I stand out from the crowd? This is a question that has been coming forward. People have been putting this question to me several times. This is a question that normally people who are new from schools, colleges, and who have joined the workforce normally ask themselves. Or people who have been in the workforce for some time now ask themselves, how can I move forward? How can I progress in my career? It is a very important question. How can you stand out from the crowd? Either way, if you are a new entrant or if you are already in the workforce or you have been in the workforce for some time, this is a very important question for you. I will give you 3 qualities that you need to inculcate in your system as early as possible, as soon as possible. In fact, I can say from now going forward, you need to inculcate these principles into your system. Number 1 principle, number 1 quality is vision. The ability to picture the future. Not only that, communicate that picture to your team and also help them find their place in that picture. Number 1 quality. This is very important. The differentiator between a leader and a normal team member is vision. Number 2 quality that you need to inculcate into your system is integrity. And this is very simply defined as people do what people see. Be the example people look up to when the time comes. When crisis hits, let you be the example people look up to. People do what people see. Number 3, perseverance and persistence. These two go together. You have to be able to stand difficulties. And you have to have the ability to keep going, even though you do not see, you cannot see immediate results. I want you to understand why these 3 qualities are very important. You are educated, you have certificates, but remember, your colleagues may be more educated than you are as at now. So the issue of education may not give you an edge, an advantage in your current setup. These 3 will give you the edge. If you want to learn more about leadership, find our details below, and I look forward to your participation in our trainings. Thank you.